Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to start making money online if you never made money online before, or if you don't quite understand the concept of making money online. If you're anything like one of my family members, she asks me all the time, are you still getting paid through the computer? And she understands the technique of working from home, but understanding how it all comes together and you get paid is something that is not a relatable concept to her because she's never done it. So I'm going to break it down. I'm going to explain it to you today from the bottom up of how you can actually get started making money online or getting paid through your computer. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Oh yeah, and we'll also talk about how you can make money from your smartphone. Stay tuned. So you may have heard of different ways to make money online because over the last 2.5 years or so, due to the panorama, lots of people have come into the world of making money online, or MMO, or work at home, or work from home, or online income, or laptop lifestyle. You get the picture. So if you have always wanted to understand the concept and are interested in how you can actually make money from your laptop, working from home, from the comfort of your bed, your couch, or while you're on the go, that's what I'm going to break down in this video. Now, disclaimer. Nothing that I say in this video is a guarantee that you will make money. Making money online takes consistency, it takes discipline, and it takes research and being proactive. It's not at all impossible, but there are a lot of schemes and scams out there that you can get caught up in if you are desperate, if you don't do your own due diligence by researching what is being shared with you, and finding it from a legitimate source, people who are not just trying to tell you information so that they can make money. However, for every dollar that you make online, somebody is behind the scenes making money off of you making money. That's not a bad thing. We call that affiliate marketing, but more on that later. But if you are just wanting to say, I can open a laptop, I know how to get on Facebook, and I can go to a website if you tell me to. If that is your basis for understanding when it comes to making money online, I'm talking to you in this video. So my goal as a digital marketer, as a laptop entrepreneur, as someone who's made money online over several years, some very high points up in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and even at my very beginning points when I was starting out making $75 per 2 hours for teaching people how to coupon. Yes, that was a thing. Up to me creating my first digital product. A digital product, by the way, is anything that you consume digitally. An ebook, an audio course. This video that you're watching right now is considered digital. And if I wanted to take this information, download this video and sell it to someone, that also brings forth the concept of digital product because it's digital in nature. It's a product because now I am selling it for a profit, although there are free products, but I'm selling it for a profit. So now I'm making money online because every part of this transaction, from the creation of the video to me putting it on a platform to sell, to you actually paying for this video to get this information, all is digital in nature. So that's kind of the gist of what goes on when you are making money on your laptop or from your computer. And so this happens in many phases, many stages, and you can also do it from your smartphone. So even if you don't have a laptop, you still can make money online. I'm just going to give you a couple of places that you can get started with just so you can get your wheels turning and you can see for yourself, because I'm a hands-on learner. You tell me, I go do, the concept sticks better for me and it makes more sense, and I'm able to take action better because now I have actually touched it or done it myself. Kinetic learning. So for starters, if you are someone who uses a cell phone, or you will be starting out with your cell phone to make money online because maybe you don't have a laptop or you just find it more convenient, you can go to a website like Rewardia. And I talked about this in another video, but this is just a website to start. And the website actually allows you to play games and get points from playing games. Let me see if I could just pull it up for you really quick. The thing I like about Rewardia, not only do you get rewarded for the things that you do, the actions that you take, and yes, you really can make money from playing games on your phone. And a lot of you are already playing games on your phone and you're not getting paid. This is the beginning of the site, and I have put a link below, so if you scroll down in the description of this video, see more, and you click on Rewardia, it's going to take you to a website and you will get an additional set of bonus points if you use my link to sign up. So you just sign up, you fill out your information, and one thing that I know a lot of people have problems with when it comes to making money online also is that you are worried about your information being compromised, and that is a legit concern. The best thing I can tell you to do is to get you a security system, something like McAfee, or there's tons of them. I can't think of the Avast is a really good one. I used to use them a lot. It's kind of robust and it kind of tries to take over your computer a little bit, but Avast is really good in my experience. McAfee is also a good one. There's tons of them out there, but you can just research and look for a security to have on your computer. And if you have a laptop or computer, desktop, you probably already have one. You can also get a VPN. Those are very good as well. And the VPN that I use, oh boy, I'll link it below because I can't think of the name of it right now, but I will link it below. So if you sign up for Rewardia, and you can play games, you can take surveys, you can watch videos, you can check emails, you can refer other people. There's tons of things that you can do to earn points. And I'm gonna pull mine up right now as soon as I realize that I'm typing in the wrong password. Okay. And this is a great one for beginners because you don't have to have any experience. You literally just follow the directions and click buttons, and it will allow you to gain points. And once you gain a certain amount of points, hint how you're actually making money, you can cash out. And cash out just means you can either get, depending on the website and the app, you can either get money to your PayPal account. If you're not familiar with PayPal, PayPal is a system that allows you to protect the identity, your identity and your security when it comes to making payments online or receiving money from people online. And PayPal's been around forever, and a lot of these reward sites will pay you out through PayPal, or you can get paid directly to your bank account. You can get paid by gift cards. So if you're an Amazon shopper and you want to cash out the money you've earned from the points you've made on these apps, you can definitely go over and decide to receive a Amazon gift card as your form of payment. You can also receive a PayPal gift card, which means you can take that PayPal gift card and use it in the store like cash, or you can get the money directly to your PayPal account, which is absolutely free to open. I'll put the link below. It's paypal.com. You can also have the opportunity to have money transferred to your bank account. And if it's a legit site, you should not have any issues with the security, but just always, as always, be careful where you are placing your account details. So if you feel safer, you can definitely just cash out through a gift card. And a lot of times these platforms also have Visa gift cards, which if it has a Visa logo on it, on the card, you can use it anywhere, just like a debit card. And it's just like real cash. So you can take that Visa card and buy groceries, you can pay bills, you can do whatever. And usually because it's a prepaid card, there are some that you can use over and over and over, and there are some one-time use Visa cards. Once you use the balance up, you can't use it anymore. So that's how you get paid from these sites. And unfortunately, Rewardia will not let me pull up my account. I usually do it on my computer, but that's one site you can get started with. Again, the link is below. And I know you've probably heard about surveys, and if surveys are really legit, if they're really the thing to start with, and this is what I want to tell you about surveys. There are a lot of survey sites, and yes, they are legit. Not all of them are created equal, but the ones that are legit, you can find the link below. I listed a couple for you to get started with. The ones that are legit will pay you over time. You will collect points so that you can cash those points out for gift cards or cash, depending on the survey site. But what you need to know about surveys, and why a lot of people get frustrated with them and say that they don't work, is because it does take time for the surveys to get to know you. Just as when you're on TikTok or Facebook or Instagram and the algorithm is getting to know you, who you are, so it can show you certain videos and certain ads that appeal to you, the same is true with most survey sites. If you get to do a survey and it says, okay, you didn't meet the criteria to go to the next step to actually do the paid portion of the survey, because a lot of them will have like pre-screeners, what you want to do is continue to do them. This is where you miss out and you don't get to make the money on survey apps, is because you give up too soon. So don't give up. What I suggest, and this is what I teach to my students. Yes, I actually teach people how to make money from these small things. We call it pocket money in my community. And if you want to know more about pocket money, the link is below. You can sign up and get free emails every single Friday of a list of different sites that you can make money on, most like the ones I'm mentioning now, that pay you extra cash for doing tasks from your phone or your laptop. And if you want that, again, the link is below. You can sign up and you'll get an email every single Friday with a new curated list of companies that will pay you for doing tasks on your phone and your laptop. So be sure to check that out in the description below. But if you stick with these surveys and you do a few of them, even when you're not passing the pre-screen, if you don't qualify, continue to do them. And what I teach my students is to do these often, right? So maybe you wake up and you're getting ready for your day. Let's say you wake up at 5 a.m. So if you wake up at 5 a.m. and you have an hour and a half before you have to actually walk out the door, dedicate 15 to 20 minutes of doing a couple surveys, playing a couple games in these particular apps that you are signed up for. So every day now you've added this task, and every day you're going to get points. A lot of the surveys will give you points as well. If you screen out, you don't pass the pre-screen, you screen out of it, they will still give you points just for trying or just for doing the pre-screen. Some don't, but there are some that do, and all of those points add up. And so once you reach whatever the threshold is for that website, I know there's a site called Inbox Dollars. You can get your first $30 on there pretty quickly if you follow these types of steps and advice. And once you reach $30, you can cash out. Well, if you were to do Inbox Dollars, let's say you make your first $30 and you're able to maintain $30 every month from that company, there's another company that pays you $15 per month just for downloading a software on your phone, your tablet, and your computer, and you use that device at least 7 days out of the month. They pay you automatically $5 per device, up to 3 devices. So that's $15 on top of the $30 you're getting from Inbox Dollars. And then let's say you add one more survey site like Rewardia, and you can cash out on Rewardia once you hit $50. So if you get $50 from one site, $30 from another site, $15 from another site, that's almost $100. It's like $95 if my math is correct. That's $95 a month, hear me, from 3 websites that you can do all of those on your phone. So it is that simple to make money on multiple survey and reward platforms. However, it takes continual progress. You have to do something every day. So you can't sign up for one, do a couple surveys, they didn't work, play a couple games, and you only got 2 or 3 points, and say it doesn't work. It works if you work it, right? And this is for those of you, again, who have never made money online and are looking to see if this online making money thing is legit and real. And I know people in real life who want to know more about it, don't quite understand it, but know it's a thing, but have no idea where to start, or are fearful of starting because, of course, you want to protect your security when it comes to using platforms online, and you want to make sure that it's not going to be a waste of time. Again, these are not ways for you to get rich. These are not ways that are probably going to lead you to quitting your job. However, an extra $95 a month can have an impact in some way in your life. Even if you decide to give it away to charity or give it to your church, you're impacting someone else's life that doesn't have $95. But if you decide that you want to try this method of making money from your phone or from your computer, this is a great way to get started. And I'm going to come back in future videos and I'm going to talk about more ways that you can make money from your smartphone and from your laptop, or even from your tablet or iPad. There's tons of ways to make money, tons of ways to get paid, but you do want to be consistent, you do want to be dedicated, and you want to be tenacious about your efforts. So make sure you're making time every day. I do recommend 1 to 2 hours a day when you're dealing with reward apps. We scroll social media at least an hour a day. A lot of us, sometimes multiple hours a day, and they have programmed it like that to keep you scrolling. But if you can do that for free and be entertained, you definitely have time to scroll on your app that will pay you and allow you to increase and grow your income. You would be amazed the amount of money that adds up month to month, year over year. The one app that I talked about that pays you up to $15 for 3 devices, and having that software downloaded on your phone, tablet, and computer, that's an extra $180 a year. When you think about that in hindsight, if we go, and y'all know me, I love to do money math. If we go and do $95 a year, that's $1,140. So that's $1,140. And this is my clickety clack calculator that I always talk about in my videos. And I realized in my last video you couldn't see me on the screen because I was doing a screen share video and the camera didn't show. But this nice little neat calculator, clickety clack, you can find on Amazon, and I will link the link below this video as well if you're interested in this. So hopefully this video has helped give you some enlightenment on how you actually make money and get paid through your computer, and how you can get started doing it as well. Again, if you want to know more about making money online and working from home from your laptop or your smartphone, be sure to click the Pocket Money link below. It will take you to a page where you can put in your name and your email address, and every single week, every single Friday, we send out a curated list of other ways to make money online. We do the research for you and find the best, most legit companies that we can. We always recommend you do your own due diligence, but we are here to help you. And so if you're interested in that and you want that list sent to you every single week so you can have new ways to make money and you can add more websites and apps, and we even share work at home jobs as well, make sure you sign up for Pocket Money emails. They go out every single Friday. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you don't mind, go ahead and click the like button if this information was valuable, and don't forget, hit subscribe so you won't miss my next videos. Until then, I love you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.